It's boat moving day. We're moving the boat to Trips Marina in North Carolina. Take us about 3 hours. Trying to leave here on high tide. There's Brian coming with his McDonald's. Coming in hot with those hot stacks or hot cakes. So this will be a fun adventure. We got great weather today.
Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamweaver.
Moving Dreamweaver up the Trips Marina to do a little work on the bottom of it. We're going to put a new cutlass bearing in. We're going to check everything on the bottom of it, get everything ready for the Bahamas trip later on this year. So we're getting off the dock at Cricket Cove Marina. Got my crew here, Brandon, Brian. And so I'm thankful for their help, and I love these guys. They sailed with me before, and they do a really good job. So it's about a 3-hour trip on the ICW. Hopefully we get there at high tide. We had to put the boat out on the face dock last night because it was too low to even get out of the marina this morning. So that was good. We're off the dock, and say bye-bye to Cricket Cove Marina for about a month. See you guys. We'll be back. Don't give our place away. Well, we're still paying though. So anyway, hopefully it's just a non-eventful trip, about 3 hours up to Trips, and then we can get into slings and travel if we get pulled out.
Well, we're going to have a trip of about 13 nautical miles up to Trips Marina. It's up the ICW from Cricket Cove Marina to Trips. And today was a really calm day in the ICW. It was overcast, but the weather was nice. And there was no boat traffic. It was really nice to be able to go up ICW unimpeded.
What happened, Tony?
I think I ran aground. But I'm not sure of getting off the ground.
Yeah, you're coming off.
Man, it got shallow like suddenly. My first time is they say it's not wind, it's not if, it's wind. I'm not sure we're getting off or not.
Yeah, you're off.
Don't say so.
When the engine overheated, that one time you guys were all going out, we had to get towed in. Nobody got video footage of like the most dramatic, like, throw the anchor, and then the anchor line wouldn't work, and there was like the breaker had flipped, and then after everything was said and done, Tony's like, anybody get video of that? I'm like,
no, I was starting to, but the like hurts me.
It says 9 feet right here. We had our first ground, and they always say it's not if you're gonna ground, but when you're gonna ground. We were going along, and Brandon was flying a drone. I was trying to help him, trying to watch, and I got off course a little bit. And man, it went from 10 foot to 0. And but old Dreamweaver pulled herself off. I mean, that was good. It was a little scary. So my first grounding, and they coming through the crossroads, going up to the boatyard, and yeah, they're gonna ride me for this one for a long time.
The ICW is kind of a strange place. Some parts of it, it's, you know, just pristine. There's nothing around. Then other parts have huge houses, lots of animals. You see a lot of water life, a lot of birds. You know, some people call it the ditch. And some people look at it as a quick way to get places very safely. So it's safety from the ocean when you need to duck in and use it. I'm very thankful to have the ICW close by because it helps out a lot sometimes we have to make short trips. Here's one of the sections that have a lot of houses, and these are very expensive houses. Nice long docks all the way to the house, the walkways are, so really pretty place.
Yeah, I was telling my wife like last January, I said, man, I wish there was like a sailing school or like a club around here. And then she's like, well, look it up. And I was like, well, lo and behold, there's something starting in like 2 months.
The first bridge we'll have to go under is the Sunset Boulevard Bridge. And this is the first time Brian's ever been under a bridge before, so it was a little exhilarating. Puts that pucker factor on the first time you do it.
What they say, I got that 9 to 5 for you, babe. You could tell me anything you want, but my girl would never leave me blue.
Here we go. Woo! Look at that. And we're free! We made it! Let's go see what Tony says.
All we got is time.
The entrance to Trips Marina is very shallow. You need to hit it at high tide, and very narrow. So it was really tricky trying to get this boat, Dreamweaver, in. So anyway, I was a little nervous, but I think it all came out pretty good.
What they say, I got that 9 to 5 for you, babe. You can tell me anything you want, but my girl would never leave me blue. We've been around this town, but we've never been here before.
The tricky part coming into the slings is to not hit the concrete walkways on the side. There's no bumpers or anything there on the sides of it, but Trips Marina, they're professionals. They do this all the time. It's nothing to them. We was able to put it right in and not hit the sides at all. So thanks to Trips Marina, they're great guys to work with.
Put her into the water. All right, back up, Tony. You're back.
The rolling furler Genoa on the front had about 3 inches from hitting the travel lift. It was really tight, but BJ did a great job getting us in and getting us lifted out of the water.
We've been around this town, but we've never been here before. Shoot me up and throw me down. I said I'd never go back no more. Never go back, baby. Doesn't matter what they say.
Right here on one. There's a mark on it. You see that little bitty mark back here? It's down here somewhere. You see it's a little triangle.
Getting it lifted out of the water is always, it's just nerve-wracking. Making sure the slings are put in the proper places so that you don't tear up any of your sensors underneath or get it caught on the keel. Yeah, it's just nerve-wracking, but they did a great job.
Now I understand the excitement of pulling a boat out. How you feeling, Tony?
Oh man, nervous, but I got a good man over here I trust. So yeah, it was kind of kind of nerve-wracking coming in, but yeah,
got in there
it went like a pro, but
Yeah.
I don't think I was the pro.
I mean, that was perfect. I couldn't have got any
Mr.
better.
BJ over here, I got all my trust in the world in him. He's a good fella. So we'll tell you all about Trips Marina, and if you need boat work, this is a good place. So yeah, he's doing a great job.
I think he's done this before.
So how was the trip?
That was a great.
That was uneventful.
Yeah, well, except for running aground.
That was a minor delay.
Man, it's pretty wicked. Wow. The fuel mileage is really great here. Yeah, off-roading in a sailboat. That's what it is. Look, we're moving. We're doing like 2 knots.
So BJ will pull us in forward and then back the travel lift in this spot right here. It's pretty wild just to see how big Dreamweaver is with the mast when it's out on land itself. Well, with the ICW behind us and Dreamweaver securely in the slings on the travel lift, it's time to move her into our resting spot for the next month or 2 for all our repairs we're going to do.
She could pick you up, and she can lay you down, or roll through like thunder, and then quick skip town. Well, she's a white God made me, and put you in my hands. Well, she's been known to take a match to your best laid plans. You see, I got this melody, but can't keep no time. Yeah, I got a head full of words.
Dreamweaver has copper coat on the bottom of it. So I've been told that copper coat can last up to 20 years according to the manufacturer. It's really, really clean. It's amazingly clean to be just pulled out and just actually, pressure wash just a little bit. But it does have some places we're gonna fix and redo the copper coat, touch it all up. The manufacturer said if we touched it up, we really didn't need to do the whole thing underneath. And then we had some other stuff we wanted to do as far as projects and things. So I was glad to have it out, and I was glad that it looked as great as it did.
The moment of truth. Got it on the stands. Now we'll see what happens.
So hollow out that bottom and steady up your hands. Yeah, and with some luck tonight, I might just steal a dance. Well, she could play kingmaker and sit you in your throne. Oh, I'll cut you down to dust and broken bones. I got this melody, but can't keep no time. Yeah, I got a head full of words that can't none satisfy.
Next episode on Dreamweaver SV.
John, look what John's doing now. John, he's in control of the dishwashing detergent. Let me show you what they done so far. So the marina, they put in the cutlass bar in the metal one, turned it down a little bit, got it in there. Also fixed this. This was a little bit out of whack here. They refiberglassed that, put in the set screws on both sides. Now we're getting ready to put the prop shaft in.